Picture this. It is the end of the month. You open your banking app to check your balance before paying a bill, and there it is. Zero in savings. Again. Not because you bought anything crazy, no vacation, no big splurge, just regular life. Groceries, gas, a few takeout meals, a subscription or two. And you were sitting there thinking, how is it possible that I worked the entire month and have nothing to show for it? You have told yourself 100 times, I will start saving next month. But next month comes and goes, and somehow saving always feels like something that happens for other people, people who earn more, people with fewer bills. Here's the thing, though. Most people who save consistently do not earn more than you. They just figured out one specific thing that most people never do. And in this video, I'm going to show you a realistic, step-by-step plan to go from $0 to $1,000 saved in exactly 90 days. No raise required, no cutting every enjoyment from your life. So first, why does saving feel so hard? Here's what most people do not realize. Saving is not hard because you lack willpower. It is hard because of how your brain was designed. Behavioral economists call it present bias. Your brain values a reward today roughly twice as much as the same reward 1 week from now, which is why saving, sacrificing now for later, feels so unnatural. And this is where most savings advice misses the point completely. It tells you to spend less and be more disciplined, but willpower alone almost never works long term, because every day you fight your brain, eventually your brain wins. The solution is not more willpower. The solution is a better system. I call it the 90-day savings sprint. Here's the core idea. $1,000 in 90 days sounds like a big number, but break it down, it's just $11 per day, or $334 per month. Suddenly, it doesn't sound impossible. It sounds completely doable. 3 phases. Each one builds on the last. Phase 1, days 1 to 30. Find the money. Pull up your last 30 days of transactions and sort everything into 3 groups. Fixed necessities like rent and utilities, variable necessities like groceries and gas, and flexible spending, dining out, subscriptions, impulse purchases. Here's what surprises most people. The average person has $150 to $300 per month in subscriptions they forgot about or barely use, a gym membership untouched since January, a streaming service open for 1 show. Canceling just 2 or 3 frees up $50 to $100 immediately without changing your actual lifestyle at all. You're not trying to cut everything, you're just trying to find your $334. Open a separate savings account, name it 1K Goal. Move the first $334 in, Phase 1 done. Phase 2, days 31 to 60. Lock in the system. Set up an automatic transfer on the exact day your paycheck arrives, before you pay anything else, before you buy anything. Pay yourself first. When $334 moves automatically on payday, your brain adapts to spending whatever's left. It doesn't feel like deprivation, it just becomes normal. By day 60, you'll have $668 saved, and something powerful happens. Momentum kicks in. Seeing that number makes you want to protect it more than spend on impulse. Phase 3, days 61 to 90. Protect the goal. This is where most people fall off, so do 2 things. First, keep a small $50 buffer completely separate from your 1K goal, just for small surprise expenses. Second, move your savings to a different bank than your checking account. When transferring money back takes 2 to 3 business days, impulse spending dies before it even starts. Think of saving $1,000 like building a wall, brick by brick. Most people stare at the empty field, get overwhelmed by how long it will take, and never start. But if you just lay 1 brick today, 1 decision, 1 transfer, 1 small cut, the wall builds itself. The whale doesn't care if you felt motivated, it only cares if you showed up. Here's the truth most people only discover after actually doing this. The $1,000 is not the most important thing you'll build in 90 days. The most important thing is the identity of someone who saves, because once you become that person, someone with a system and proof that it works, saving $2,000 doesn't feel hard, then $5,000, then $10,000. It all starts with the first $1,000. So here's your challenge. In the next 24 hours, open a separate savings account and name it 1K Goal, just that one step. Then comment below, Day 1 started. Because 90 days from now, you could have $1,000 sitting in an account you didn't even have today. The only question is whether you start.